You might come across this in your forthcoming exam. Here's exactly how to crack it. This sample says what volume of 0.5 mole per dm cube H2SO4 will exactly neutralize 20 centimeter cube of 0.1 mole per dm cube sodium hydroxide solution. The first thing to do, pro tip 1, is would balance chemical equation. So balance chemical equation. So we balance the chemical equation, and that would be NaOH plus H2SO4 on the reactant side, and our product will be Na2SO4 plus H2O. Now, if you note, this equation is actually not balanced because we're having just one sodium here, but we're having two sodium here. So in order to balance this, we introduce two sodium on this side. It becomes 2 NaOH plus H2SO4. This gives us Na2SO4 plus we would introduce 2 here, 2H2O, and now we have a balanced equation. And this can be interpreted as 2 mole of NaOH, 1 mole of H2SO4, 1 mole of Na2SO4, and lastly 2 moles of H2O, right? H2O. Now, once this is settled, once your interpretation is settled, the next would introduce our relation. The relation for this is actually the concentration of acid times the volume of acid over the concentration of the base times the volume of the base. This equals to the number of mole of the acid over the number of mole of the base. Next is to plug in our data, and in plugging in our data, we should recall that we actually asked to find the volume of the acid. So we're given 0.5, that's the molar conc of the acid, times Va, which we don't know, over the molar conc of the base is actually 0.1 from our equation, times the volume of the base was given to be 20 centimeter cube, equals then we have here 2 moles of NaOH, and we have 1 mole of H2SO4. So on the side of the number of the mole, it becomes 1 mole over 2 mole. 2 mole of H2SO4. Sorry, 1 mole of H2SO4 and 2 mole of sodium hydroxide becomes, would cross multiply. This would come down here and this would go up here. So we have 2 in bracket 0.5 times Va close bracket equals 0.1 times 20 times 1. So if we open our bracket, we would say 2 times 0.5, I'm just going to punch my calculator here. 2 times 0.5 is 1 times V. So 2 times 0.5 is 1. 1 times VA equals 0.1 times 20. 0.1 times 20. We will be having 2 times 1. Moving further, it becomes 1 times VA would get just VA equals 2 times 1 would give us 2 times 1 would give us 2. So your final answer is 2. Volume, unit of volume is centimeter cube, 2 centimeter cube, and this is your final answer. Would you like to solve similar questions on molar conc ratio? Click on the link in the description box. You win. Just believe.